In our never-ending quest for improved health and well-being, there's a common ally we often seek to embrace: a balanced diet. With the rising awareness of the impact of our food choices on our overall health, many are turning their attention to a diet that has gained immense popularity in recent years, one that bids farewell to excess carbohydrates and sugars. It's not about deprivation, it's about making mindful choices that support our journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. In this exploration of the carb-conscious lifestyle, we'll delve into the reasons behind this dietary shift and discover how it can be a catalyst for change in our pursuit of optimal health and weight management. So, let's uncover the science and wisdom behind this transformation, as we embark on a path toward wellness and vitality. I'll offer you a tip: if you want to lose weight, it's time to give up those carbs. Sugar appears to be trying to lose weight and improve their health, which is great for them. Yes, those delicious processed carbohydrates and refined sugars are your enemies, since they induce inflammation in your body and encourage your liver to manufacture more fat. Neither of us wants that, so let's stick to nutritious meals that are low in both. 1. Red meat. A red meat attention meat eaters, if you want to develop your muscles and have superhuman energy, you must buy premium grass-fed beef. Just make sure it's high quality and grass-fed so you can get all the nutrients you need to become the ultimate muscle machine. Meats like beef, lamb, and even some organ meats are packed with protein that will give you the strength to lift those heavy weights and run that extra mile. And let's not forget about the iron and vitamin B12, which are essential for building up that blood and keeping you energized all day. 2. Second kale. Mighty green vegetables are nutritional powerhouses that put other superfoods to shame. They have twice the vitamin C of oranges, more calcium than milk, more potassium than bananas, and are low in carbohydrates and sugars and strong in fiber, in addition to having twice as much vitamin C as oranges. Get ready for some significant health gains whether you enjoy your kale softly cooked as a side dish or blended into delectable smoothies. The third, eggs. These little wonders are the ideal supplement to your healthy diet because they include just trace amounts of carbohydrates and all the essential nutrients for life. Additionally, eggs include choline and lecithin, both of which aid in the breakdown of fat in the liver and weight reduction. 3. How many eggs should you consume? How many eggs are advisable? Experts suggest that eating 2 to 4 eggs a day can improve your nutrition, help you stay satisfied and focused, and help you feel better overall. So in August, say goodbye to those annoying urges for junk food and snacks and welcome to a healthier, happier you. 4. Pecan nuts. Choose one nut. Pecans are very low in net carbohydrates but abundant in soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Pecans are a good source of monounsaturated fat, zinc, copper, vitamin B1, and copper, which will keep you feeling full and make you less prone to overeat. Eat a small handful of them after a meal or cut them up and combine them with sugar if you crave junk food when trying to lose weight. No cost. Dark chocolate 70. 5. Number 5. Cheese. If you're going to chow down on cheese, make sure it comes from grass-fed cows or goats to get the most out of it. I highly recommend tasty varieties like cheddar. Cheese is a legit good source of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, E, and K2, which can help keep you healthy. It also helps your bones, teeth, and nails absorb calcium like a boss. Halloumi of camembert. Goat cheese, mozzarella, and brie. 6. Cruciferous and cauliflower. Cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables. In order to improve your health or lose weight successfully, it's important to include cruciferous leafy greens like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, arugula, bok choy, cabbage, and collard greens in your diet. These vegetables are rich in phytochemicals that aid in liver detoxification and the removal of toxins from your body. In addition, these greens are a great source of 7. Avocados are one of the greatest sources of healthy fats available. These babies are stuffed with monounsaturated fats that keep your cells nourished and energized. Health. Number 7. Avocados with extra virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil avocados are essentially a one-stop shop for all of your nutritional needs because they also include a ton of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B, all of which work to balance hormones, reduce insulin resistance, and help you burn fat. Let's also not forget about extra virgin olive oil. This substance is liquid gold for cooking since it contains anti-inflammatory substances like oleocanthal and aleuopian that reduce pain, swelling, and liver health problems. So go ahead and sprinkle that substance on. 8. Butter. People, if you want to keep those eyes, skin, and hair looking fresh and fabulous, pure butter is the way to go. But hold on, don't go grabbing any old butter. You want the good stuff that hasn't been mixed with any vegetable oil. That's the kind that's packed with retinol, which is necessary for keeping your body looking young and vibrant now. I am aware that some people are put off by butter because of the cholesterol talk, but did you know that your body actually needs that substance to produce hormones like insulin, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol? These hormones are crucial for assisting you in losing those extra pounds, and the additional calcium for your bones cravings will be controlled, and butter encourages the flow of bile from your gallbladder, which breaks down fat. Number 9. Mushrooms. Did you know that mushrooms are technically fungus, but that we cook them like vegetables? These little guys are packed with nutrition, and there are a variety of varieties available, each with an own profile of vitamins and minerals. Because they add a fantastic flavor boost and can be added to dishes without adding additional fat or sodium, mushrooms have been a staple in cuisine for centuries. These little guys are cholesterol-free, sodium-free, fat-free, low in calories, and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 10. Number 10. Herbs. You need to include some freshly chopped herbs in your life, specifically mint, if you want to drop those excess pounds. Cilantro, parsley, and oregano, dill, basil with thyme. These lovelies don't include any of those bothersome carbohydrates, but they are jam-packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that will support your weight reduction efforts, control your blood sugar, and enhance the flavor of your salads. Don't forget about spices, either. Cinnamon, coriander, and turmeric. Black pepper and ginger are two of nature's most potent healers. They'll aid in the healing of your liver, pancreas, and digestive organs. Despite the fact that spices include just a little quantity of carbohydrates, you don't need much to enjoy their health benefits and add considerable flavor to your food. Crazy salmon. 11. Natural salmon. If you're following the low-carb diet, you need to grill some oily fish. Wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are full of protein and omega-3 fatty acids that will make you feel like $1,000,000. Additionally, those omega-3s will reduce inflammation throughout your body and repair any damage from your sugary past. However, stay away from farmed fish because they are loaded with unsavory antibiotics, artificial food coloring, and a poor diet that depletes them of nutrients. Stick to the wild stuff instead of carbs to make your body burn more fat. These foods will not only help you lose weight but also show your cells some serious love. Hey, if you're looking for more advice on how to live your best life, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat.